Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do a digital marketing course for free. So let's get started. So first you need to go to a site which is nothing but the platform which is called as a certiprof.com. So in this site you can see this is a digital marketing professional certificate, that is DMPC, and which you will get for free. So the website will give the information on the digital marketing course. So you can see this is a digital marketing professional certificate program which provides the understanding of the digital marketing concept. So it will provide a digital marketing concepts with the strategies and the implementation, including the email and SEO and SEM. So it will tell you everything about the digital marketing. So if you go down, what you can check the learning objective of the course. So we can see this is digital marketing overview, the key concept of the digital marketing, then the lead generation, then search marketing and SEO, which it includes, then the user experience and the usability, email marketing, social media marketing, retargeting, tracking and measurement, and the analytics. All these topics will be covered in this course, which is of a digital marketing. So the audience profile is like that. You don't need to be any prior knowledge for this certification. So the exam details are like, so you can see the format for the exam is a multiple choice question. So it is an open book exam. No, it is not an open book exam. You will have 40 question, and for that you have to pass 80%, or the 32 questions should be correct out of 40. And the languages which are present for this course or this test are Spanish, English, and Portuguese. And then the duration is a 60 minutes. It is an online available exam, and then it will be supervised with the discretion of a partner. So if you check the certification details, this is a fundamental certificate and certificate code is DMPC. And the prerequisite, there is no formal prerequisite for this certification. And whenever you want to start the exam, so what you can do, you can just go to this and select the language like Spanish, English, Portuguese, or French. And once you open the link, so let's say I have doing a certificate in English, so digital marketing professional certificate in English, it will give you the time of 1 hour, then details of exam which we have seen previously, and the maximum attempts per candidate are 2. So you are only allowed to have 2 attempts for this examination. So it is better to study the for exam and then you can go for the examination. So there is no official prerequisite. So once you start the test will get started, and then you have to complete the test and you will get the certification. So apart from this, they have some other certification also. So you will see this is a tab. There is a tab which is free certification. You can see the Scrum Foundation Professional Certificate, Remote Worker Certificate, and Digital Marketing. So we are interested in digital marketing certification. So yeah, that's it guys. That's it for this video. You can just go and grab your digital marketing certification on Certiprof platform. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video, and please share the video. Thank you.